Right, another one from Ed. This is the WB S20 and the back EOC. Don't know what the EOC stands for, not a clue. But I'm guessing the WB is for Wilson Bohannon. Nothing on the key. Just says Elco, which will be the name of the blank, and that's an original WB key. So, let's go for the Wilson. Been after a Wilson for ages. Don't think we can get them over here. But anyway, let's have a look. See if we can get away with the same wrench. Here we go.
We're halfway through our time, but already the job's over half done. Even more wonderful locals have been moved to help make the job complete by sorting out the front and back gardens.
When do you actually think you first it? What? Easy, everything was right. Easy, piece of paper. In the bag.
Bit of oversetting going on there, obviously. Spring gear, spring gear, spring gear. Spring gear, come on, that's the one. That one in.
When you think about it, they've actually been the whole family crowded into one room to find big warmth during the last winter. And now this is going to be a really safe, warm environment, double glazed windows, insulation in a loft to keep the whole place warm and an environment like this. Still the blue, aren't they? Today's work is time to go home. That's Bill. Bill, it's the other way. Bill, it's the other way. You go the wrong way.
Gotcha. And another one bites the dust. That's the Wilson Bohannon EOC. I'd like to know what these letters stand for actually. Thanks Ed. Number 2 down.